This video tells us about how to take online attendance. The first step is to open Chrome app. There are three dots on the top right side. Click on it. When you drop down, you will get desktop site. There will be a checkbox. You have to click on that. When you click on that, you will be navigated to the home page. On the home page, you have to search Google Form. Click on the Google Form. When you click on the Google Form, you will get free online survey. The first link of that search. You have to click there. When you click there, it's taking time to come back. You see it's coming. When you click that, there will be two blocks coming. One for personal and one is G Suite. So there you have to click on the personal. It's written go to Google Forms. Click there. When you click it, again it's taking time. It may take a bit of time, no problem. Yes. When you click it, you can see on the top a blank form is there. A plus sign is made there. You have to click that form, blank page. After that, you will get a blank page over there. And there you get untitled form. Now click there on the untitled form and remove that untitled form. Write the word attendance there. After attendance, you have to click untitled question. There you have to write name and then you have to see multiple choice question. You have to drop down, you will get short answer. You have to click on the short answer option. And then required, when you get down, required, because it's very important for everyone. Then a plus sign, do the question, next question. You enter there the class. And now you can enter as many classes as you are teaching. Suppose I'm teaching 6, 7. So I'll fill up 6, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to fill 5, 6, 7. And you can see on the top, response. It's trying to connect right now. It's all network issue. It's not coming. So in the next question, we'll write name we have written, class, we can have options. If I'm teaching in 3 classes, 4, 5, 6, I'll fill 4, 5, 6. And that is multiple choice question now. It's already there, multiple choice questions. So you have to click there and then again there you have to required. You have to post there. Then next question again, roll number, and roll number will be only one for each child. So short answer you need to click there. And then section. Now whatever sections you are teaching, A, B, C, D. So you can write there A, B, C, D, whatever you wish for. Whatever sections you are teaching, write there. Again you have to do multiple choice and required is to be done. And then you have to see, again it's getting very, network is very slow. So we are not getting it. Network is still not connecting. It's so slow. My God, it's so slow. Sometimes it's really problematic, the network. Okay, it's come, it has come. So we have written everything now. Now there is a send option on the top, you can see there. We have to send it. After sending it, we have to click on the link. You can see here link sign there. You have to click there. When you click there, you got a link there, and now you have to copy. Click the copy part, copy, and then paste it wherever you wish for. You can paste it in some notes, you can paste it on WhatsApp, whatever, wherever you want to paste, you paste that link. After this, we need to view that. What have we made? So for viewing, we have to go on an eye is made there. One eye is made there. There you have to click. You can see whatever is there. I'm showing how to fill that form. See. And then the child will submit it. Again, it's very slow. The child has to submit that clicking on the submit option. After that, your response is recorded, it's coming. So you will yourself get that. You have to then click on the responses after some time. After 10-15 minutes, you can click on the responses. You can see there where questions are there only one option is there. You will get a summary of the students who attended your class. And you can see here it's one response because I have filled only one. So one response is there, and this way we can every day take attendance of students online. Thank you for watching.